I'm like so focused right now. You don't even know.
Welcome back, guys. Shadow Schroeder here. I missed you guys. I've been absent. I'm a father now, which is new. My daughter was born on December 27th, so she is almost a little over 2 months. She's gonna be 3 months on the 27th of this month. It's a whirlwind, man. It is an amazing feeling. She's awesome, and my wife is just amazing. You know, I love them both very much, and I couldn't do it without my wife. So I do apologize for not vlogging as much as I was hoping to do this winter. Not that this was a surprise. We knew we were having a baby. It just, you know, didn't realize how much time I needed, you know, for having a baby and dealing with the baby, and you know, but now she's here, and it's amazing, guys. It really is, you know. Get your girl pregnant. It's fucking awesome. What a feeling. I love being a dad every single day, and when I go to work, it is very upsetting. But you know, when you come home and you see her face and you just pick her up, and it's just absolutely awesome. So yeah, so without further ado, today we're going to be installing a mod that I had on my vehicle, but now we have a newer version, a better version. I have an affiliate sponsorship with this brand, so we're going to install it today. Everybody's coming over like old school. I mean old school like 2 months ago, you know. So everybody's coming over to install this. We're installing UnderGlow today on the Lexus, which is fantastic. Today's sponsor brought to you by ONEUPLIGHTING UnderGlow, who sent me a kit to display for you guys. I'm gonna have a link down below where you guys can get the UnderGlow-X kit. It seems like it's a universal kit. It works on just about any car, which is fantastic. There's a discount code for you guys. This kit's awesome. So we're gonna install that today. So here we go. Where'd you go, Wawa? Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Yeah, I went to Wawa.
Nice. What's with these fucking headlights? When did you install these? They weren't on the YouTube channel. No one's gonna know you installed these.
Insert pictures now.
Yeah? Alright.
Before and after.
Yeah, alright. You thought this thing was dead? No. In here, I thought this Civic fucking exploded.
This?
Yeah. Not just Georgia's Civic exploded?
Yeah.
Would you guys stop that plug? Hell yeah. It's nice.
It's because they care about their Civics so much.
The less you care about, the longer it lasts. You hear that, George? Before we install the UnderGlow, just gotta fix this. That's been there. I actually bought it like that, to be honest with you. But yeah, I gotta fix this by installing a new one. It's just easy, man. It's fucking head under the fucking car while jacking it up. This is like rule 1 of not to do. Don't be George. All right. Is that the last one? Oh no, you got one on the other side. Then we're just gonna replace it with the new one. eBay, baby. Nice and cheap, just in case you drive in Jersey and you're smacking streets. Still not out yet. Nice. How many bolts are under there?
You got 3 on each side over here.
That's secure. Make it even. Yep, just like that. The lip's on. It's more even now. Oh yeah, Church is here, which is cool. Roger's dead.
Yo, this thing got too much torque though.
Installing the UnderGlow today. It's gonna be sick. Very excited, very excited. Big excitement. Boys are here. Gonna install her on the Lex. And at the end, somebody's getting a free set. Find out who. filmed this thing in a while, right? Look what he added to this thing over the winter. Look at this. You guys haven't seen this yet. Look at this.
This is a table. This is where I eat my food for lunch.
You guys haven't seen this thing yet? Maybe you've seen it on his Instagram if you follow him for some reason. But look at this.
This is the greatest thing. This is my favorite
The
purchase.
air don't even have a chance with this
Not a
downforce.
chance.
Not a chance. Damn. Oh my boy.
I caught a George.
See, we installed these last time. The problem is it wasn't long enough, so we had to like splice the wires, and it fucking got fried. So we just fucking said the hell with these. So we got much better through ONEUPLIGHTING. Yeet. Much nicer kit though. Much nicer. It looks like you could almost like disconnect these at like certain points, so you can kind of just like wire it however you want. It's nice. You want to test them before you install them just to make sure they work. All right, and they look like they work, which is cool. A little RGB, not bad. All right, we're good. I broke my camera, so now everything looks all fucking blurry. Yeah, so now I gotta go to 0.5. So this is the view that you guys are gonna get until I get a new camera.
On this?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a hole in there.
I know. It sucks. So 0.5 is all you guys are getting for now on because I just broke my lens. Look at this. Look at that. Flop. Nice. I could zoom in. I could 0.5, but 1. My normal is blurry. Nice. Oh, EJ's here. Look at that. Take out the old box, put in a new box, a little bam, 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 a little kick to George, and she'll be in no time.
I should really have a built by NightMomMedia or some bullshit. Built by Roger, George, and Douche.
I don't think I ever touched your car.
You forgot EJ's name for a second.
I don't think George has ever touched your car, and you're giving him credit, not me. Yeah. I don't think I ever touched. I should have rear-ended that fucking piece of shit sitting there. That parking bench could have landed on my windshield. Could have sued you. Would have run right through the bitch.
No, you would have hit my car. Technically, it would be the second time you rear-ended somebody.
I'll rear-end every single one of you motherfuckers.
I'll take everything that you're owned. All your Pokemon cards.
What happened? What'd you find?
Nothing. His wife called.
What'd she say?
She said, "Give me the dweeb."
The dweeb. While we are wiring this, we decided to take off the wheels because it just seems to be a little bit easier to, you know, tuck the wiring through the fenders and everything. So, yep, it's coming apart now. You guys don't have to do this at home, but this is what my friends decided to do. We just take apart my whole car. All right, tires are off, just so we could wire the UnderGlow. UnderGlow, I meant to say. UnderGlow. I'm just mad my camera's broken. So mad about it. I'm the person who films and my camera breaks. It's fucking stupid.
And then you'll have a real camera to do things with.
Do I look like a triceratops with these nose rings?
Where's it on this side? You know, you said 12 o'clock for this, and everyone was here before me. Nothing got done. What do you mean, allocate? Why is everybody landing?
Church is currently fucking cuddling me. I'm the little spoon. So now we're trying to get into the fuse box.
Yeah, I got you.
To add this little extension. That way the neon turns on when the car turns on, so it doesn't draw battery power on idle.
He's using me to block the sun.
He's sick of hearing your fucking mouth.
He's using you to block the sun? I guess that.
Like, can you come here? Said stand right here.
Well, help a homie out, man. I don't know what to tell you.
2025. We're not holding flashlights. We're blocking the rays.
We're gonna drive with fucking drugs in the car, Church.
Prescription.
Can't install.
If we didn't go to Home Depot.
If we didn't go to Home Depot for fucking something.
Sir.
We're back, baby. We're back.
Hey, Home Depot, how you doing?
What'd you get?
Microfibers.
Nice. Fuck. I didn't know fucking Paul Walker was here. What the fuck? That's crazy. And it's already started? That's nice. Back from Home Depot. We're in the exact same spot because they couldn't continue without us going to Home Depot. EJ's having fun, as always.
I hate this fucking thing more than usual.
Hell yeah. We're back, baby. We're fucking back. Helping as always.
Brought to you by Home Depot.
Yeah, we were already there in the video, though.
Yeah, we really should have had that for the intro.
So the one side is done. And we just gotta do the front. Church is finally kind of look like he's helping, but he's not. Trying to get the front on. So it's 2 in the front. Comes around like this. And then again on that side. Sides just 1 and 1. And on the back, same thing. Just 1 and then 2. So 2, 2, 1, and 1. So you come with 6, which is cool. We're on the left side now. Doing the front is done. George is here. Roger's asking how we're gonna do it in the back. I'll do it in the back, baby.
Shove it in. Hey.
Come here often.
Well, why not split it between the 2 sides? So a little bit here and a little bit over there. Right, but hold on.
That wouldn't be terrible. Because really, once you push this down,
Exactly.
Pull it.
Exactly.
Just cleaning up now. Everything's all tucked real nice. We're finishing the back. We're just making sure that's all good. Everybody's starting their cars already because everybody wants to leave. Because the sun's going down, temperature's dropping.
My big ass is wearing 2 sweatshirts.
Yep. We didn't really film much of, the nitty gritty of the install, but when do we ever show that on this channel?
Not much.
Not much. That's right.
Because we are shallow.
My camera didn't focus on that one. Hang on.
Because we're shallow.
You're shallow. You guys a sneak peek. Still lifted up pretty high off the ground, but it's starting to look pretty good. Purple's my favorite color, if you couldn't tell. You like this kit?
Nice.
Too expensive.
We got you one. That's yours. ONEUPLIGHTING.
Good, keep it in the garage. Do it here
It's
anyway.
yours.
All right, look. Cookie diarrhea diaper is gone.